park. Here's the trail. Usually you walk about 80 feet down, and then you got to climb down some cliffs to get to the water, and you walk 20 feet down and the water's already here. Wow, it's right there. That lake has come up 34 feet in 2 days. Jesus. You get a view right there? Oh yeah, there's Mansfield Dam. Look how high the water is. That is close to the spillway. Look at the zoom on that phone though. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Right there where you're looking across, right there, you can walk down there and swim across it, usually.
Yeah.
And you can tell there's a current in the lake too. There's the dam. That used to be Mansfield Dam Park over there underwater. Alright. Now we're going to go under the dam and show you the water coming out.